Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco Sherelle from Bling and today I have these adorable birthday party hats. They're made for a baby girl named Desiree. She's turning 2 and this is her theme. This is what I have so far. I have more to do, but I just wanted to take you guys along to show you how I got this far and what's next. So if you'd like to see how I created this look and what else I'm going to do to it, stay tuned. Okay guys, so to get started, all you're going to need is a regular party hat. You can get them from a dollar store, Party City, you know, one of those type of places. Any type of party hat that you have. You might even have one in the house for your kids. So you're going to take the party hat and then you're going to take it apart. So I took one apart already. Another thing that I did is I trimmed off the bottom. And I'll tell you why I trimmed off the bottom of the pink. Okay, I have the glitter paper. I got this from AC Moore. You could probably get it from Joann's, Michael's, any of your local craft store. You're gonna now lay it out and trace it. I'm gonna show you that. So because I use all mine, because I'm making 14 hats, I have another paper. I'm gonna show you how that looks on there. So this is pretty much the size of the glitter paper that I have, which is 12 by 12. So now you're gonna open it up and you're just gonna find where, of course, you wouldn't do this part unless it's gonna be on the inside, but. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay it out. You might even wanna put some tape on there. And then what you're gonna do is just trace okay, so now you have the shape. And the reason why, like again, I cut off the bottom of my pink is because I wanted to make sure I'm able to get 2 on one sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. Okay, so now you have 2 and you're gonna cut it out. So once it's cut out, this is what you're left with. So it can be any color choice you want. I use the rainbow glitter. You can. I've seen people where they made a little slit here to go in, but I was having a very hard time with that, getting it to stay. So this little slit, you can make that hole in there to get it in. But this is much thinner than the glitter cardboard that I use. So what I had to do is, you know, get a little bit flexible by rolling it around like this. And then you're going to put the side that you want in first. You want to get your hot glue gun and then glue that. I'll show you how to do that. Put a little bit of glue, so I start from the top. And then just get that in there. I know there's some glue at the top, but that's going to be covered up with the tool, so I'm not really worried about that. Alright, so this is how I got this done. Okay, so now we can go back to working with this, now that you know how to make the cone. Okay, so now once you have the cone done, the next thing is to get your tool. So the tool that I'm using is a pretty aqua color. Once everything's done, it's going to look like this, and I'll show you how to put it on. Unfortunately, I already cut up all of the ones that I need. So here we go right here. But I'm going to show you how to get it done on a different color. So I'm going to use this board. This board is 6 inches. Okay. So now what you're going to do is just roll it around. All right, so now you have the pieces here. So now I'm gonna cut it down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Put it on top and then cut it down the middle again. There you have it, okay? So the next step is just count maybe like 5 to 6 pieces out, okay? I always take an extra one and then cut this extra one down the middle. This will be the piece that you tie everything. Crumple it up. Take your little piece and then make a knot. You can go ahead and double knot it. And that's it. Now you got a little fluff ball, okay? Take your tool and start gluing them around the bottom of the cone hat, okay? You want to just like fluff out some of these pieces here, crumble it up. Get your hot glue gun, put some glue. I usually start at the back. You're going to put some glue and you're just going to put it on and you're going to go around. I already started. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here we have it right here where I already started putting the tool around the bottom of the cone hat. So I'm just going to finish up. Okay, so I'm going to finish this up and I'll come back. Okay, so it's complete, and the one I just completed had her name Desiree and her age, the number 2 on there. So the next step is I'm going to show you how to get that, any name you want and the number that you desire. Okay, with the help from my silhouette machine and my laptop, I was able to create the number that I want, the font and the size, everything I needed. Now you can use any sticker you want. You might find stickers at Alphabet, stickers at AC Moore, Michaels, but I was able to print them up on my own with my silhouette machine. So I use sticker paper. Let me see if I can find the name of this. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. This is the name brand of the sticker sheet that I use. It's called Fly Decor, suitable for sticky notes, labels, strong adhesive. So it comes in 8.5 by 11, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna pull one out. Okay, it looks like a regular sheet of paper, but it has an adhesive back to it. You can put it in your printer. You can print whatever you want on there, peel it and stick. So what I did is I put it into my Cameo, and I already had her name and her the number 2. So here is what I did, and I peeled it off. Now the thing about this is, let me move this one out the way. All you would have to do is peel it and stick. Now any other surface, it will probably stick. But this, like the one I just did earlier, it'll probably stick good. But this has that textured glitter on there, so they were coming off when I put it on there. So what I did was, to adhere it, I used my Gem Tech glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one so you see how I get it done. So as you can see, I have 14 of these beautiful comb party hats. I have 6 completely done, and then I have some that still need crystals and some that needs the tool on it as well. So I have so much to do, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have so far. These are coming out absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with them. They just sparkle from every direction. I have the crystals going all the way around.